hello guys, today's video I thought I would do something slightly different, and there's this kind of thing that's been floating around on YouTube and I thought I would have a go at it because it just looks kind of fun. So today I posted on my Instagram several different variations of makeup products and I got my Instagram followers to vote for my makeup look for today. Luckily I don't have any plans for this afternoon, so probably just gonna do this and then maybe take it off. If it looks good, I'll probably film another video, but we'll see how it goes. So they've had about 5 or 6 hours to vote and I haven't looked, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm really hoping for like an easy natural look because it was either like a natural look that I chose or like a kind of more glammed up shimmery face for glitz. So we're gonna have a look and I will insert a picture of like the results here so you can see where we're at. So the first one is foundation or concealer, and I'm really hoping for concealer because I don't really want to keep myself in makeup right now. So fingers crossed for concealer. Oh, yes, 53% say concealer, which is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. My skin's looking pretty decent today, so I don't even need that much concealer. And that's the concealer done. That was nice and easy, thank you for that. Okay, so because I only ever use one pressed powder, that's the one I'm gonna use, and it's the Rimmel Stay Matte thing. It's not like I exactly have much on, so it's not much that needs to stay on my face. Also guys, let me know what you think of my new short hair. I should have curled it, I need to learn to curl it more. Okay, next up I believe is blush. So we've got like a shimmery blush from Sleek or a kind of more natural colour from number 7. 61% went for the glowing shimmery one. Okay, so we're gonna use this one, which is, I believe it's called Rose Gold from Sleek. I used to love this stuff, but I haven't really worn it much recently because I don't really like the shimmer to it. So it's gonna be interesting. Now, I know when I posted, I kind of did it in a bit of a random order, so I'm gonna skip to my eyebrows next, which I'm hoping people have picked for subtle. And they have natural 83%. And that's my eyebrows done. I wouldn't usually do them this thin, so it's really kind of weird to see them look this natural without not doing my eyebrows, if that makes sense. I'm just gonna set them with the only setting thing that I have, which is from Benefit. I love this stuff. I'm now gonna prime my eyes with the only primer that I have, which is the Professional from Benefit. Again, like I said, I posted these in a really weird order and I don't know why I did that, but I'm gonna do bronzer next. And they've gone for matte, which I was hoping for, so that's good. And this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. It smells incredible, oh my god. Next we're moving on to highlighter, which I believe everyone picked the high-end one. Yeah, 59%. I actually don't like this highlighter. I used to like it a lot, but I actually prefer the Tiny Burr one. I feel like I really have to put a lot of this on for it to show. See, it doesn't even look like it's showing up. Do you know what I mean? Do you? Yeah, there's literally like nothing on my face right now. I don't know. I don't like it. Right, so now we're gonna do my eyes, and people have voted for a natural look. I feel like we're definitely going down the natural route more than the kind of glam look. I actually haven't used this palette in forever, but it used to be my go-to natural look colours. So I think we're gonna take this colour, that colour, Oh, there's no mattes in here, that's kind of annoying. But I'm going to start with this dark brown one. Now I'm going to take this one through my crease. And then I'm going to take this yellowy one and just pat it in the middle, kind of all over. Pretty happy with that. Okay, next, eyelashes. And you have picked, 74% of you have picked the Benefit Roller Lash. Good choice, my friends. And that's done. Now to find out if I'm wearing eyeliner. Yes, that was quite a resounding yes, 89% for yes. This is the Soap and Glory Super Cat eyeliner. Love this stuff, I swear by it. I'm just gonna quickly do this in my other mirror. So that's that done. And now to find out if I'm wearing eyeliner on the bottom lash line. No, 61% for no. And finally, lips. So it was a choice between a MAC dark red or Tanya Burr, like a pinky colour. We went 59% for pink, so we're going for Tanya Burr's one. And there we have it. This is the finished makeup look that my Instagram followers chose for me. I haven't got my glasses on, so I actually don't know what I look like. Take my hair out. So it's a very natural look, isn't it? So this is what it looks like zoomed in. It's quite dark, like the eyes are quite dark for me. I'm not used to this. Like I used to have my makeup like this constantly, and then I don't know, more recently I've gone for a more lighter colour, I guess probably because it's summery, but yeah. Apparently you lot wanted dark eyes. But yeah, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I think my followers actually did a really good job, so thanks guys. You could have gone a bit crazy, but you didn't. My eyebrows, I'm not used to seeing my eyebrows like this, so that's a bit odd. But apart from that, good job. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time for another video. Bye!